In the words of Nelson Mandela, sport has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in a way that little else does. Sport can awaken hope when there was previously only despair. Sport speaks to people in a language they can understand. Today we embark on a new journey for sport in this country. This is a significant day for Fiji. It's also a significant day for the PGA Tour of Australasia and for the game of golf in the South Pacific region. The power and impact of golf cannot be underestimated. One of the world's oldest and most respected sports, golf is a global game that is widely recognised for its contribution to the international economy. One of the world's biggest participation sports, golf is also a driver of international tourism. And with golf booming in Asia, now is the time for Fiji to secure its share of benefit from our game. In partnership with Sports and Entertainment Limited, the PGA has been pursuing opportunities to work alongside the Fijian government to leverage this country's potential. Pleasingly, our discussions have been productive, and here today we invite Fiji to sign off on a new chapter for Fijian sport. In August 2014, with the support of the Fiji government, the PGA stands ready to stage your country's largest global sporting event, the Fiji International. The South Pacific's biggest golf tournament, the Fiji International, will be contested at Natandola Bay Championship Golf Course, boasting a prize purse of $1 million US. Today, on behalf of the PGA and SEL, I ask the Prime Minister to accept our proposal for a 5-year period, during which time the Fiji International will deliver substantial economic and tourism benefits to Fiji. Raising your international profile, the tournament will expose Fiji to new markets, inspire new investment opportunities and attract future tourism. The Fiji International will perfectly complement Fiji's tourism strategy, at the same time delivering both short and long-term economic benefits. In fact, based on the success of similar events within Asia, our initial estimates suggest that the Fiji International can deliver a multi-million-dollar economic benefit to your country. In addition to its standing on our own PGA Tour of Australasia, the Fiji International will also form part of the One Asia Tour, joining a circuit of world-class tournaments staged throughout the Asia Pacific. Offering total prize money in excess of $20 million, our combined tours currently host events in Thailand, Korea, Japan, China, New Zealand and of course Australia. This is an important opportunity for Fiji to claim its place as one of the world's spectacular golf destinations. And what a destination it is. A visually stunning course. Over the next 5 years, Natandola Bay will be played by some of the best international golfers. And buoyed by Fiji's world-renowned hospitality, the Fiji International will become the region's most revered tournament and I'm sure one of the players' favourite tour spots each year. There are a number of parties I'd like to personally thank for helping to get the Fiji International to this position today. Of course, to the Fiji government and to the Prime Minister, I thank you for considering our bold vision and I look forward to working alongside your representatives to ensure the tournament's success. To Vasu Vincent Nair, who unfortunately can't be here today, thank you for your foresight, Vasu, and for championing this opportunity to give back to your community. To Raman Dahir, we sincerely appreciate your efforts to make today a reality. And to the Fiji National Provident Fund, thank you for providing such a spectacular golf course. And to the local golf industry representatives from the Fiji PGA, some of whom are with us today, we look forward to assisting you to grow the game of golf in Fiji. To Sports and Entertainment Limited, through their Managing Director Basil Scafidi, the PGA is delighted to be partnering with you on this project. In closing, thank you all for being here today. I hope in time you will look back on this day as a significant moment in Fijian sporting history. Thank you.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Bolavenak and a very good afternoon. When I was a very young officer, just a couple of years ago, I was asked by our mentor then, Captain Brown, if I could join him to go and learn how to play golf in the golf club. And I remember saying to him, "But sir, golf is for old people. I don't know whether he wanted to sack me or kill me. But we all know the golf community has a language of its own. Birdies and boogie, bands and hooks, woods and irons. Now a lot of this is new to me. So when someone asked me once if our Minister for Youth and Sports was a scratch golfer, I replied, sure he is. Every time he hits the ball, he scratches his head and wonders where it's gone. I can picture the Minister for Youth and Sports on this golf tournament next year. He'll be down on the beach providing security when the real professionals play. It's a great pleasure to be here this afternoon to announce plans for what will become one of Fiji's largest and most prestigious sporting events, the Fiji International. This annual golf tournament is set to be the newest leg on the PGA's tour of Australasia. The first tee-off is scheduled to broadcast to the world in August 2014, hosted at of course, the beautiful Notondola Bay Golf Course, becoming a permanent fixture on the tour for the years to come. The signing of today's MOU is a significant moment for Fiji because it demonstrates that PGA has faith in our country to hold one of its major events, faith in our infrastructure, faith in our economy, and faith in our people. And I'm here to say that we are equal to the opportunity and look forward to a strong and lasting relationship with the PGA. Ladies and gentlemen, as one of the world's most popular sports, golf is a major niche tourist market with huge growth potential in Fiji, poised to take advantage of the game's rapidly growing popularity in Asia. That's why we're so excited that the PGA is coming here. A PGA golf tournament is a major international event of the highest caliber, attracting some of the game's best professionals. Although Fiji has long offered some of the best golf courses in the region, both to our visitors and to our local golfers, the Fiji International will rightfully establish this as one of the world's top golfing destinations. With a potential broadcast reach to more than 400 people across 40 countries, the tournament will showcase Fiji as a must-visit golf and tourist location in countless homes around the globe. This is very good news for our tourism industry, and this is very good news for our economy. Indeed, we expect the tournament to lead directly to a multi-million-dollar boost for Fiji, with many additional flow-on benefits. One such benefit is that this tournament will increase the value of the FNPF-owned land in Notondola. As a result, after the second stage of development work there, the FNPF will achieve a higher rate of return when it sells or leases that land, profiting all of the fund's current members, as well as the future generation of members. Ladies and gentlemen, as many of you are aware, the Fijian government has launched an extensive campaign over the course of the last couple of years to completely revamp brand Fiji, including with the recent launch of the new Fiji Airways. Fiji, where happiness finds you. Not just a slogan, but a belief that Fiji truly has something unique to offer our visitors, who are welcomed with the famous Fijian hospitality, a kind not found anywhere else. So as Fijians, we take our national brand seriously. We are very proud of our home, and we want to make sure that pride is reflected whenever we attach our name to something. Well, the Fiji International PGA Golf Tournament is certainly something we Fijians can be proud about. It will give us a fantastic avenue to promote our beautiful nation and show the world what we have to offer. In fact, I doubt that anyone tuning in at home will view the stunning aerial shots of Notondola and not be tempted to immediately start planning their next holiday. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to keep my remarks brief this afternoon, so with these few words, on behalf of the government and the Fijian people, it is now my pleasure to welcome the PGA to Fiji. Thank you.
One more. Okay. Done. We'd like you to accept that as a small gift from us.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Good night.